We're going to have a chat now with the experts at XMT Construction.
What sort of things are there to consider when designing an outdoor space?
When we're designing a potential deck or outdoor living space, the first thing that has to work is functionality. That's the primary. The space has to work and create value. The second is it has to meet the customer's needs. So if they have 4 people or a dozen people that are going to be regularly using the space and for their specific activities, we want to make sure that it can cater to those activities that they like to enjoy so that we know that they're going to get the most value and benefit out of the deck.
What are the most popular features people are adding into their outdoor designs?
The primary features that we find people wanting to install in their outdoor living spaces are lighting, hot tubs, heat, such as fireplaces, fire tables, and overhead heaters, and cooking areas. With that, it gives a total space that can be virtually used 3 out of 4 seasons in the Lower Mainland. With the hot tubs, a lot of times we're building them, integrating them into the deck so that they're sunken into it. With heat, we're going to be doing fire tables, fire pits that run on natural gas and sometimes wood burning. We might have overhead heaters or infrared heaters. That way on the cool spring or fall evenings, you can still enjoy a meal or relaxation out on your deck. With the lighting, we find a lot of people are liking the lighting simply because it adds a lot of character, warmth, and mood. We're typically doing that on the stairs and the perimeter of the decks and in features of landscape.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.